goddess that protects the harmony between humans and nature. Allah. In the heart of Igbo land, where the forest whispers ancient secrets and rivers shimmers with stories, there lived Allah, the revered goddess of the earth and fertility. She was the mother of all living things, her breath giving life to crops and her touch nurturing the land. Allah wasn't just a goddess of abundance, but of justice. She watched over all the sacred laws, protecting the harmony between humans and nature. When mortals disobey these laws, whether through deceit, theft, or bloodshed, Allah's rage was swift and unyielding. She guarded her name, land, and any violation of it was an offense against her. It was said that she dwelt in the soil itself. Her presence felt whenever the earth trembles beneath their feet or crops flourished in the fields. To the people, she was more than a deity. She was home, the ground beneath their feet, the future in their hands. Ovuada Beauty channels the spirit of Allah. Her products are crafted to enhance not just your physical beauty, but the essence of who you are. To win products used in this video, check caption for details.